Welcome to 1583 Bonnie View. We are right here in Canyon Lake on the south side of the lake in Canyon Lake Forest. And this is a beautiful new construction home. It's a 2-story home, 1-car garage. It's got 3 bedrooms and it's got 2.5 baths. So come on in, let's take a look around. So coming in through the front door, you can see this beautiful open floor plan. Coming on into the living room, you've got this gorgeous fireplace with the stonework all the way to the ceiling. The entire living area here has this beautiful flooring with the ceramic tile, that's the wood plank look. And take a look at this beautiful kitchen. It's got this amazing granite countertop. It's got this farmhouse sink. Such a spacious kitchen, perfect for entertaining your friends and family. Take a look at this beautiful backdrop that goes right in here, this backsplash. And the dining area right here in front of the kitchen island. So this is just the perfect place to get all your friends together, gather right here in Canyon Lake. And on the other side of the kitchen here, when you are entertaining your friends, we've got a perfect half bathroom right here, adjacent to the kitchen in the living area. And then come on down this hallway and you'll see the master bedroom. Come on into the master bathroom. We've got this gorgeous brand new carpeting throughout the bedrooms. We've got the coffered ceiling here in the master, of course the ceiling fan, and this gorgeous master bathroom. It's got the dual vanity sinks. It's got the granite countertops and an amazing walk-in shower. And then over on the other side is this giant walk-in closet. And then we've got the coffered ceiling in the master along with the ceiling fan. And take a look at this great sized walk-in closet. And it's got a really outstanding feature. When you walk into this large master closet, you come on through and there is a door to the laundry room. So the laundry room has 2 entry doors. One goes into the master closet and the other pops out here right by the back door in the base of the stairs. Such an amazing convenience factor for this home. When you step out of the laundry room, you come here, this is the back door, and it goes on into the backyard here. And then we've got the garage here. It's an amazing 1-car garage, and everything in here is sheetrock. You've got the pool for the attic there, and there's a mud room right here, a mud area for your storage where you can put your purse, your shoes, anything like that coming on into the house. And then you're coming here onto the back side of the kitchen and pantry, stairs going on up to the other 2 bedrooms. And at the top of the stairs, you come on up and you've got 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom here. On the left is the bathroom for these 2 bedrooms, and it's got the dual vanity, which is amazing to have here in the secondary bathroom. It's got the gorgeous countertops. This one does have a bathtub in it as well. And then we've got 2 bedrooms, one here, one right over there. Both have the ceiling fans, the brand new carpeting throughout the upstairs, and I love the detailing on the features of this ceiling here. It's got the vaulted ceiling in this bedroom. Both bedrooms have very large closets, and then the other bedroom is over here on this side. And it is just such a great home. Give me a call if you want any more details, 210-313-1010. Thanks.